to do a failed slime experiment because it's probably going to suck.
Yeah.
This is my helper here.
Hi.
Today we're going to use glue, soap, and water. And I know it's going to be really bad.
Pour the water in.
Pour the water in.
Now
Nice.
glue.
No, let's put some paper in. Rip it up.
You will need paper, a bottle of glue, and
Rip the paper up.
you will need a bottle of glue, and you will need a cup of water. You will also need.
Are you ripping it up or just rolling?
I can't. I have one hand.
Oh yeah. We'll just try. Gotta take it and just I'll do it. There you go.
And then let's add.
No,
some.
not yet. Not yet. We need to wet this up a little more.
And now we'll eat this.
No, we don't need that.
Now we'll be eating this on my face. And this is our third helper.
No, she's not a helper.
Okay.
She's a baby.
Genevieve Hemmons, but she
Leave the card alone.
This is her.
Oh, you don't use it. Don't let her have that card.
I ain't. Leave. Oh my God, that shit.
Please stop it. This is the card.
Now we'll add some glue.
No! We aren't ready for free glue.
Who's breaking it?
My mom.
Okay.
Jared let us make slime. Okay. I'm gonna do it. No, she got changed. Yeah, don't add it. Stop trying to add it. We're not done yet. We're trying to make slime and Jared let us.
Yeah, the cat puked in here earlier.
No, it's diarrhea.
Oh.
What?
The cat diarrhea and Jared made us clean it up.
Made you clean it up?
He got a paper towel for us and we had to pick it up with our own
Mac.
the paper towel.
All right, now let's add the glue.
No, we're not. Stop.
I was the one who got the idea, so I need to.
As soon as alright. We just rip the paper up and then add it.
Okay. We already did that.
Rip it up more. Softens. No, don't put it in there. Oh my God.
I'm just pouring.
It's not gonna come out then.
It might.
Probably won't. Alright.
Now we'll add glue.
You put it where it ain't gonna come out.
And now let's
You
add
poured
some
it all
of this.
in there. Now
I
is
did
it gonna come out?
Oh, dang it.
Don't do that. Now it's gonna get glue on my face, dude. Stop.
Sorry. Alright. I'm gonna go wash this cup so now the glue will finally come out.
No.
Just do this.
What are you doing? My goodness.
Okay. The failed experiment.
It's not done
I
yet.
told you that this was not.
So why did you have the idea?
I had the idea of making a tutorial. Let's add some pumps of soap. And now we're gonna put just a little bit of glue in.
We can kind of make it purple.
And now
If we get the glue in, we can make it kind of purplish.
and now let's add some air.
You don't need air and slime. Gotta wash our hands after this.
I know.
It's all purple. Here,
It's slimy.
well, duh.
Oh, my castor. Yeah. This is purple.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it.
From the day that.
Right.
Thanks.
Then we're gonna mix it kind of at the end.
Then we're gonna mix it.
Then so we put in like a. No, not mix it. Don't yet.
Mama, that's the trash.
And then we're gonna use
Don't
some.
let her get any paper towels out of the
And then
trash.
we're gonna use some of this.
You guys just threw it in the trash can.
Matt, can you open?
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Matt, can you open like this? Because it'll make it like rainbow.
Should we use this? Yeah, this cup is like this. I don't think we're ever going to be able to use that cup
I'm
again.
dead.
I'm gonna add some more glue.
We're gonna add some color changing blue sparkly glue.
It's not sparkly.
Well, okay. And now let's just drop it in. It's coming out.
There we go. That should be enough.
All right, now we're gonna mix with this.
No.
Well, then what do we mix with?
I don't know. Find something. How about...
I'm just gonna mix with...
Wait, Mom, can you get us a spoon?
Never mind, I'll get it. We're gonna... All right, guys, we'll be back in 2 minutes. Move.
No. What are you doing?
Okay, well, don't mix it without me. I'm gonna go get a spoon. Really, really quick.
You know where they are?
What?
You know where they are?
Yeah, but don't start without me.
Not. Anyway. It's kind of purple. You guys can't see it right now. I mean, it's really a mess. There you go. You don't really see the purple. There you go. Ah.
Fork better.
How?
All right, guys, now let's mix the blue.
No, let me mix it.
No, I want to mix it.
You have only one arm. I had two.
But I want to.
Dude, just take turns. Anyway,
We are now putting an and we are now killing this guy.
no, we aren't.
Yes, we are.
Stop. We're not putting anything else in it. I'll put some more soap in there.
Now we're putting some more soap. Don't leave this one in the
To
pan.
make it a
Now
little
let me
more
stir it
slimy.
now.
Alright, you stir now. Can we add a little bit more water?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get some more water from this cup.
Neve, what even happened?
You crying for no reason.
She fell while she was playing with paper. Little cardboard paper. Sorry, oh my god. Neve. Oh my god. It's not, nothing happened. Literally, actually nothing happened. Like, you just want attention, Neve, because that's not going to get you any attention. It's just going to make people worried.
Oh gosh.
You got more water?
Yeah. Except it. Let's pour some more water.
Oh, okay.
Big spill. Clean up with paper.
Yeah, you do that. I gotta maybe kind of split that.
Then you will need scissors
No.
and a crayon.
You don't need any of that.
Okay.
I mean, maybe crushing out the crayon would be good, but I don't think we're allowed to do that.
Yes, we are. They won't even notice.
Notice? What do you mean?
They won't notice that we smushed
We
it.
don't want anything. Oh my god.
Now we're smushing a crayon.
Stop. That's not what we're doing.
Now let's mix
your
it.
hand.
All right, now
Right.
let's. Now we're gonna pour some exactly clear glue to make it like shiny or something. Like open this.
We got really oily hands. And Neve, leave the bag alone. Put it. Can you get the bag out of her hand?
Okay.
I can't get it off.
Oh my god.
My hands are way too slimy.
All right, I'll be back, guys. We're gonna get a towel.
Yeah, we'll need it. We're gonna make a part 2 because we're running